Welcome back to Glow channel, guys. In today's video, I'm here to give you juicy news about nursing program that we have coming up very soon. I'm here to walk you through all the process or everything that you need. So stay with me to the end of the video, and thank you for all my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. You make me do what I do here. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's dive into what we have in today's video. There is a school that is offering a separate application for a nursing program for anyone interested. Guys, this admission is easier than the joint application, and I'm going to give you details of what you need to prepare before the date for this application period. So come with me to my computer without wasting of our time. Page together. This is how it looks like for you guys to see. And then you go down here, you can type in the school that you want, right? But let me show you guys another way. Show degree programs. This seems to show almost all the degree programs they have. Artificial intelligence and the rest of them. So let's go to nursing. Nursing, the application period is 1st of September down to 11th of September. Just few days, right? So let's read more about this. It's taking its time to open. So this is how the page looks like again for the bachelor's nursing, bachelor of healthcare. I won't go into much details about this program. Okay, it is 210 credits, like you know already, and it's 3.5 years program. They just need 40 people, guys, just 40 people. And one thing with these separate admissions is that despite the online entrance exam, it's not really a big deal. It's something very simple, easy for you to pass. I'm going to give you some of the exam tips that you need to pass your own exam during the time. They say a long time to go, right? But I just want you to know what it entails for you to apply to this school. For those of you interested, you can also watch this video if you want. What does your studies involve? Just a breakdown of a nursing program in addition to the Finnish language. You can just take your time to read this for any one of you interested in this. Okay, so I want you guys to see something very important. Santa Kunta University of Applied Science may cancel admission for the following reasons. So these are the key things I want you to take notes. An applicant fails to submit certificate by the deadlines specified by the University of Applied Sciences. An applicant has provided false information about his or her degrees. It is obvious that the student, in terms of their health status and functional capacity, does not meet the admission criteria. An applicant has concealed the cancellation of their prior study entitlement. So these are the criteria for cancellation of your admissions for those that will be admitted later on. And if you know how serious these things are, some people come to study in Finland, and when they investigate their certificate and they find out that it's false, they can allow them to study for the next 2, 3 years before they even cancel their admission, take them back to their country. This is how very serious it is. So please take notes. All right. So basically, let's go to apply to the program so that you see how it looks like. All right. So it brings us down to study info. So this is how it looks like. For those of you that is watching to this, no scholarship, guys. There's no scholarship for this. That is the honest truth. There is no scholarship. The what's it called? The tuition fee is 9,500 euro, and it's 3.5 years total in English. But there is, okay, so you can read this because you're going to also be taught in Finnish language, because Finnish is the spoken language in Finland in addition to Swedish. So take your time to read the information. All right. So this, um, remember that the application is, this is the application now. Um, these ones are the ones that have ended. So when the September 1st starts, then you're going to see the fill in application form. But for now, because there is not here, so is these ones here are just the general information for joint application, right? So this is how it actually looks like for anyone interested. Remember, like I said, the application period is 1st of September down to 11th of September. All right, so you can read all the information for yourself if you are interested. So, what do you think about this? Give this video a thumbs up. Now, when I'm reading all the informations, number one, what you need, the requirements is your higher certificates. That is your WAEC, NACO, or GCE for those that have it. Higher secondary school certificates. That is number one requirement. Number two is that they need ILT or any of those kind of exam. Another criteria is that the ILT, you can write the academics because it's academics you're coming for, right? Which is not really a big deal. All right. So academics is not, it's basically for them to know that you can understand English, you can comprehend and all that. So yeah, that's basically what they need from you. And then prepare your tuition fee. All right. When you get admitted, you're going to also join the autumn, that's the August. But you're not going to come with the August set because this is September, right? You're going to start with, you're going to join them later on, but they will inform you when you're going to join them because usually the joint application set of people are going to resume by August 20, usually 26, ending of August, usually. That's when schools in Finland usually resume. But because you are going to apply for this in September, your coming to Finland probably might be in January, depending on their program. So they're going to inform you. Now, after you apply for this, the next step is that they are going to send you a link to the application. That link, that link, when you click the link, it also take you down to the online exam. So when they send you the link, they're also going to give you some procedure on how to go. So everything is going to be explained to you through the information they're going to send. So always check your email after you apply for this study program. So prepare yourself for the ALT because you have a little time for you to prepare and write the exam before applying for this school. All right, guys. So basically, this is what I have for you. The IELTS is compulsory for the application of this, and after that, when you apply, when you meet all the criteria, of course, everyone that applied, they'll be sent an email. From the email, they also send you a link. From the link is where you click the link, it takes you down to the exam, the online exam. You follow the procedure. I don't know how the exam is going to be this year or in their own school. Every university have their own method, but usually it's not a big deal because it's just an additional application. So you follow the information and that's all. So guys, if you love this video to this point, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to for those of you who are not subscribed yet. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my other video. Bye.